Yeah, I won't be surprised if we hear a little thunder. A little thunder and lightning maybe too. Ah, that first rain of the summer is always so fresh. Love it. Don't miss it. Even though it's been 3 weeks. Creepers! How the heck are you crazy creeps? Whether it's morning, afternoon, or evening, I do appreciate you creepers for always tuning in and creeping with. We are just chilling here in Mama Creeper's ride. At the moment, she is here at Discounts Plus. A few days ago, she purchased some headphones, or you know, like the little earbuds, and they didn't work. So she's trying to take them back. And then we're heading to Walmart for some creepy Halloween goodies. Who knows, we might be too early. We're just gonna kind of do some creeping, pepper in the day. A little overcast, a little creepy. So stay tuned, doing some creeping. And I just noticed from the car that the barber shop's gone. I was looking over for the pole and I don't see it on the side here anymore. Moved next door. So I guess it's gonna be here now. Hi. So yeah, that's, I guess he really did vanish. Such a neat looking barber shop though. But I guess it'll be next door. Hey, what's up, bro? That's so funny. How you been, man? He vanished. He vanished.
Oh, really?
He actually, the name stands correct. No, they just moved next door. Yeah, the pole's gone. So, cool looking place though. That was the owner of the toy shop. Interesting. The stained glass here. Yeah, it's a cool looking building though. Alright, let's head back over and see if they exchanged those headphones yet. Love this big tree here too. Beautiful. Yeah, he vanished. I'm guessing they're taking those back because she's been in here for a good 5-10 minutes. That's good, they took them back for you.
Yeah, they did.
They never worked. So at least they took them back.
Just the one.
Oh, just the one side? Oh, yeah. So
they were cheap. Even the one headphone, it just was kind of tinny. It wasn't good. I'm going to invest in the one like I lost, the skull candy. They're really good.
Yeah, because you paid too much for those ones anyways, and they were kind of an off-brand.
Yeah, what? How much was $25?
Yeah, that's too much.
I looked at Amazon and I could have got them for like $12.99.
Yeah. Walking, it started raining.
Yeah, it felt good.
It was the first rain we've had in like 3 weeks.
I know, it felt really good.
I was thinking it'd been nice to out biking in it.
It was just actually just kind of drizzly.
No Halloween stuff. Looks like it's all back to school stuff still. Huh. Yeah, but does that mean freezer?
I don't know.
I think if it was a freezer, it would have 2 separate doors, doesn't it?
It doesn't. I've been looking at them.
Oh, okay. See how this one's got, that's the fridge and that's the freezer.
Well, I think this is the freezer up here.
Well, how would the freezer, if it's one door, how is that going to stay cool different than
closed.
this?
That has a thing on it where it closes.
That's the freezer, that little thing? Oh, I see. You lift it up.
Yeah.
I see. Oh, like this one. See how this one's open? You're right. It is a little mini freezer. Okay. Chiller compartment. Temporary storage of small frozen items.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
How much?
The high sense one is 124.
Where's that at?
This one, but
Yeah.
this one right here is 88. Rollback.
What size is that? 1.6?
1.6. They're both
Same
1.6.
thing.
Yeah, why is one... This one's 88 and the
Yeah,
other
that's
one...
not very big.
Here's one's for 118 and it's a 33, so it's bigger. It's got the little freezer part.
I want this.
Yeah, let's get this one.
118.
That's perfect.
Yeah, that's what I want.
That's exactly what we want. Nice. Alright, just getting here to the cereal aisle. I thought I'd check here too. And I still don't see the monster cereals, but I do see this Mickey Mouse Club 100-year cereal. That's pretty cool. I was told that the very first Mickey Mouse Club member meeting was held in Salem, Oregon. Minecraft. A couple different ones. But I don't see the monster cereals yet. No luck. That's awesome. Best dad bod. Love it. Love seeing Simpsons stuff still out and about. Looks like they got some Santa already too. Ooh, look at this. Camp Crystal Lake. That's pretty cool. I love all these different socks too. Got these Jason ones here. Pennywise. Creepy. Ooh, the Stranger Things ones too. But check it out. Bart. Itchy, Ned. Mill Mouse. Some donuts and Homie. 6 pairs for $9.98. That's not bad. Those are cool. Alright. Wait, where's...
Okay. Alright. I appreciate you.
Yep, I think so. Yep. That's a good deal. I like using these little guns.
I have a
when they
senior
come here.
protection pen for $13. I'm not going to do that.
Just keep your receipt.
Yeah.
Probably like $50 cheaper than online. Oh, it's raining again.
Woohoo! Look
Feels
at how
good.
beautiful.
Oh, those are pretty.
And they smell.
What are those called? Are those petunias?
No, I can't think of the name of them right now. Oh, they're,
And as always, return them. I always love seeing that giant fork too. It's so funny. You know why?
because you can go fork yourself. That's why.
Exactly. All right, just stopped into Dollar Tree real quick. Had to get some cat litter. And they got their Halloween stuff up already. One measly little aisle. Oh wait, no, we got some fall stuff back here too. Fall harvest. So, a few things. The bling bling spiders and bats. Yeah, it's cool seeing a little bit of Halloween-y stuff. I think it's just this aisle. Look at these. These are creepy as heck. Little masks you can make. Ghosts. Oh yeah. Ooh. That's gonna do it for today. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. That'll ring you in to be a creeper today. You can also ring that bell. That way when I creep, you guys will be the first to creep. And if you did enjoy this, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Till next time, creeper out for now. Peace.